Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to have issue 27 of Build Kit from the Knightrider series. Okay, so issue 27, we've been waiting on this delivery for quite a while. Quite a lot of people still haven't got it. This is delivery 8, so yeah, a lot of people haven't got this yet, but yeah, they've sent it out to me, so I do have it now, so I can carry on with my build. So I've got stages 27, 28, 29 and 30. I believe with this delivery we were supposed to get the free gift, the free car model. We didn't get that, so yeah, just going to have to make do without that for now. So yeah, we're going to start off this week with stage 27. So stage 27, flick to the back of the book and show you exactly what we're doing. Lots of little parts for the engine. So we're carrying on with the turbine engine that we've done. So these are all the parts that you get. So as you can see, there's quite a few parts. We're just going to be connecting lots of them together. I will do it step by step as we go. So yeah, we're going to be connecting all them together until we've got pretty much that by this page. Flipping it over, we're going to carry on assembling that, and that gets actually attached down onto the engine just like that. So by the end of this one we should have something that looks a little like that. Okay, so this one does look quite tricky in the instructions actually, but it's only because it's harder to see and see exactly where everything's going, but I'll try and make it more clearer as we do the video. So if you have actually got part works that you want to get rid of, or you want to buy a part work, so like a particular issue or something, rather than pay the expensive eBay prices, you can head on over to the part work exchange marketplace. I'll put a QR code down here. Just scan that with your mobile phone, it will take you straight over there. You'll more likely find something that you're looking for over there. So without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. So to start off, we're going to have these two parts here. What we're going to do is we're going to secure this onto this part here. So we've got a little hole just there, and we're going to secure that down onto there, and we're going to do that with a BP screw. Next, we are going to be taking these two parts here. We've got this little box section here, has like a keyway in the center, and it's got a little pinhole. I don't know if you can see that because of the blackness of the part, but we've got a key hole in this part here. We're just going to need this one here, and then we're going to slide this down into the top just there, just like that, and then we're going into the back just here with a BP screw again. So we're going through the inner side of this, so we're going into this way, just like that. Doesn't need to be super tight or anything, but yeah, that's that part. Next, we can take this part here with a shaft on it. We're going to locate this part down over the top, just like that. Now we can take these two parts, and with this part on the upper side, we're going to go that way round. So let's go in that way, just like so. And this is then going to be going onto the rear side of here. So we're going to locate that onto there, and we're going to put another BP screw in this hole just here. So screw this one down. Again, make sure that is straight when we do it. Just like that is what you want to have so far. Now this part that we just assembled can get plugged into there. We can turn that over, and another BP screw in this hole just here. So secure this one down, sort of like that. So it's sort of like that by this stage. Now we're going to take this oddly shaped bracket, and we're going to fix this down onto there and onto there. So you're going to need two BP screws for this. And we're going to secure this down. So I'm going to put it onto this one here first. Actually, I'm going to go onto the main part here. It's going to be quite fiddly to hold and drop down. So I'm going to put the screw in there, get it in the right place. And then secure that down. There we are, all the way down. making sure that lines up with there. So before I tighten that one up, I'm going to put the next screw in, which go in just in this hole here. That one, now I can tighten this one up just like that. So we now do have another bracket, and we're going to be fitting this one on as well. So we want it that way round, and that is also going on with the BP screw into this hole here. So we're using a lot of BP screws at the moment, so let's get this one in, lower that one down into place. It's roughly around about there. Put our screw in. Around about there. So that is what you should have so far, with that way round. So now we're going to be fixing two parts at once, so this could be quite tricky. This part here is going down onto here, and we want to make sure that we've got it the right way around, which we have, and this is going to be going onto there, like that. And then this part here, so this hole at the back is going to plug in, so I'm going to plug that into there and actually fit into it. Fits into this one here. So I'm going to gauge where my part should be from that, just there. And we're going to have a BP screw to secure both of these down. So I'm going to take this one back off. So the first hole here is for a BP screw. Just there. And now this one here is going to get attached onto the back hole through the top with another BP screw. Lower this one down. There we are. So yeah, quite complicated little fixture that, but we're getting there. Next we want to put the top of the reservoir on. So let's go into this way round. Onto there. All the BP screws at the moment. Right, let's get this one back on. Secure that down. Just like that. A couple more parts to go on, so we're going to want these two parts here. So this one here is going to be going onto this notch just here, and this is going to be with a CP screw this time. Get this one in place and secure it down. CP screw, just there. So then this one is going to get plugged. It's just plugged in down onto here. So let's plug this one down. Sort of like that. Next we want to bring in this main assembly here. We're going to be adding this little peg pin on there. So just down here you'll see a little hole, that's where that's going. So this can be quite fiddly to get in there, so I don't know why they didn't give us this a couple of issues ago. But we use some tweezers to lower that in place. That's that in there. I don't know if you can make that out, but that's down there. Now this part's going to go on over the top of this, so we're going to be going this way around like that. So it wants a GM screw in this hole here and this hole right down the back here. So let's get them in first before we put the cover on. Nearly there, nearly finished with this issue. Right down the bottom I'm going with that. The first one. Now let's get this one in as well. That's that secured onto there. Nice and tight. Now let's tighten this one up. Just like that. And the only thing left to do is to put the cover on, which is going to go that way around, and then two CP screws, 3 CP screws in all of these 3 holes here. Right, so I'm going to go this end first. Number 1. 2. Last one now is going down here. Just like that. And with that, that is this issue all complete. So there you are, guys, that is issue 27 all complete. And yeah, that was, some of them bits were quite difficult to make out in the instructions because some of the parts are so tiny, but that is what you should have up until this point. We've got a little reservoir on there. We've got this unit on the back now. So yeah, on to issue 28. So I'm going to be streaming this week on my Twitch channel on Friday, and that's going to be a gaming stream. So I'll be doing that on Friday. So the game is actually being voted for up until Thursday. At the minute, I believe Resident Evil Village, which is Resident Evil 8, is winning that vote. So that's what I'll be playing so far. So until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.